Hey, this is the DIY Magician with another grab bag special. We go to thrift stores and we find the grab bags, we bring them back here, we open them up, and we have fun in the process. So hang on, we'll be right back. There is a Nerf launcher of some sort here. I don't know what it does. It has Nerf on it. Does it shoot discs? Probably. And I saved this for last. And the bag is empty now. It's a $4 bag. This is a lightsaber. Look at that. A full-fledged lightsaber. This is my first one. And this is pretty darn cool. Just like that. And then, of course, you can collapse it down. So you would carry it on your belt like this. It's locked into place. There it is. And I guess you, do you push a button or you just, yeah, look at that. Oh, yeah! It's a lightsaber, and then it like clips on right here. So I could wear it like this, and then say, oh, just like that. There it is, a lightsaber. This is probably worth $4 right here. This fancy lightsaber and all that good stuff. Okay, so there it is. Here, let's recap what we've got. We got a fancy lightsaber. We've got a wooden block toy puzzle. We've got 2 squirt guns. We've got Papa Smurf. We've got this emoji thing here, this tank, the Army Man, little plastic figures there, whatever he's doing, Smurf, the Grow thing, the Silly Putty deal there. We've got a Hot Wheel car. We've got a fake Hot Wheel car. We've got a catapult. We've got this dinosaur that's annoying me. We've got Watson from Sherlock Gnomes. We've got this cool Mutant Ninja Turtle here. I really like him. Does he stay? Stay. The other Mutant Ninja Turtle, and then this little Saber here. I could have a fight with the Saber and the lightsaber there. And then the first thing I got right there. Oop. Okay, there it is. Hey, we had a good time today with this. Thank you very much for coming along. For those of you who have been here before, for those of you who are new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe and you get all the updates. And this is the DIY Magician saying thank you for coming along on this grab bag special. Until next time, this is the DIY Magician. Goodbye. Look at that. See you guys and gals. Bye-bye. This thing is annoying. It's still going. Will it ever stop? Will this video ever end? He's crying. It's so annoying. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye now.